So friends, to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operation, brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction from left to right. Addition and subtraction from left to right you can move whenever the expression only left with the addition and subtraction. So expression is here and we have 4 options also. So we'll just break it down by step solution. Multiplication and division, step 1. We have to move left to right. First perform the multiplication and division in the order they appear. So that there is 3.4 multiplied by 1.8. Now you can use the Vedic math trick, crisscross multiplication. By using it, you can take any 2 random digits. So 8 4s are 32 and 3 will be carry over. 1 4s are 4, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28 plus 3 it's 31. So 3 will be carry over. 1 3s are 3 plus 3 that is 6. So 612 is the answer, and after the 2 of the decimals you have to put decimal over here. Now the step 2, divide the result by 1.53. So 6.12 divided by 1.53, you will get answer is 4. There is a tip. Since both the numbers have a 2 decimals places, it is the same as 612 divided by 153. So make it point. Step 2 says additions. Now take the results from the previous step and add the 13.4. Now 4 plus 13.4 you will get 17.4. So the final value of the expression is 17.4. Now comparing these results to the giving options. Now you can see option C is the correct. I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.